Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a smooth zoom effect on CapCut. So you're just going to want to zoom like the whole thing first, like the clips. So pinch your fingers, then you're going to go to the part where you want to like the zoom to start. So here I'm just going to add a keyframe and not do anything, and then on the second keyframe I'm going to add another one like here, and then zoom in to the part like I want, so around here. And if you want to make it a little smoother, you have to like add another keyframe and then zoom in, and then add another one, and then move to the part you want to zoom in again, like so. And for instance, on the other parts you want to zoom out, you can do that by adding another keyframe, zooming out, and then another one, zooming out, and then another one, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!